Hi, grade 9. I hope you are doing well even today. We are moving on with a new consultation class, and the topic of this consultation class will be the prefixes. In this class, we are going to deal with 6 familiar prefixes: un, dis, mis, il, im, in, and ir. So what is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters that stands before the beginning of the root word. Let's move on and analyze each prefix one by one. Prefix "un", by adding "un", the meaning of the base word changes to the opposite. Well, and if we put "un" before well, it becomes unwell. Lucky, unlucky. Tie, untie. Afraid, unafraid. Aware, unaware. Cover, uncover. Dress, undress. Happy, unhappy. Tidy, untidy. Prefix "this". By adding this, the meaning of the base word changes into the opposite. So the opposite of the verb agree is disagree. So we position the prefix "this" before the root word. In this case, the root word is agree. Agree, disagree. Discover, dislike. Appear, disapprove. Approve, disapprove. Let's move on with another prefix, "miss". By adding "miss", the meaning of the base word changes into the opposite. So the verb behave, it is transformed into misbehave. Lead, mislead. Guide, misguide. Mistake. Spell, misspell. The prefix "il". By adding this prefix, the meaning of the base word changes into the opposite or not something. So legal, the opposite of legal is illegal, but we have to use the prefix "il" when the base word begins with "al". Logical, illogical. Legal, illegal. Logical, illogical, as we said before. Legible, illegible. The prefix "im". By adding this prefix, the meaning of the base word often changes to the opposite or not something. So the opposite of passion is impassioned. So to the word that, or to the words that begin with the sound M or P, we add the prefix "im" before these words. Mature, immoral, immoral. Passion, impassioned. Precise, imprecise. The prefix "in", by adding this prefix, the meaning of the base word often changes to the opposite or not. Active, inactive. Accurate, inaccurate. Appropriate, inappropriate. Capable, incapable. Correct, and visible, invisible. Here, by adding this prefix, the meaning of the base word changes to the opposite or not something. So the opposite of regular is irregular. So to the sound or to the words that begin with R, we add the prefix ir. Rational, regular, irregular. Responsible, irresponsible. Reversible, irreversible. So guys, this was the lesson for today. The video lesson, you may find it at the Modo application or at the school Facebook or on YouTube with the appropriate link that I have to send to you. And apart from the video lesson, you are going to have a worksheet with the lesson of today that we dealt with prefixes. So bye for today. We are going to see in another class.